Good day, tutor. My name is Héctor Fabio Ariza. Uh, I present fase 2, unidad 2, strategic proposal, Casey Code, ground 21, set 5, 3, 30, there, 1, 8, April 2022. Problem code code has 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 the opportunity to lead the digital revolution in the one eight book chooses to stay in the has profitable tradition photography based with digital photography implied and dan- dangerous concepts that require thinking of new business model in the face of the emergence of new technologies. Causes, extents, and the fear extensions in an accessibility conservation manner and the factor on the emergence of new technology. The need, the need, the need digital world was not so profitable justifies the decision of stick with the basic and usual consequences. Could they now make the layer on there were going to make it and it is way better to go from a larger bicep or a medium one than to stay with unknown existence by biasing the competition like Canon, Nikon, or Sony to the hair they had life to late and their strategy was much more direct when went to rest in what no there and no way and the world digital photographic. Eh, eh, the definite presentation phase Activity fase 2, Activity 1, consecuencias, problem, causes, consecuencias de caso 4. Bye bye. Thank you.